Welcome to the December Feng Shui forecast, the last of 2017, where we will be discussing which rooms are great to use and which part of your house is great to use in this month. Starting with the south, eminently avoidable when 2 comes to the south. It's confusion. When 5's already there, it's just empowering the 5 to even be more nasty than it actually is. So just a couple of months more and we can start using the south again. But for now, desist from using the south. It's really terrible this month. Sickness, loss of money, bad investment, stomach problems, just lack of vision, eye problems, piles. You want all of these, please sleep in the south room, use the south office. If not, please get out of there if you haven't already. In the southwest, we have the monthly 4 with the annual 7. 2, 4 and 7 together, all yin. This is indicative of a household of women fighting with each other. The mother, the youngest daughter, the middle daughter, all 3 at war with each other, arguing all the time. So if that is where your mother-in-law lives or your daughter-in-law lives, there are going to be those issues. Forewarned is forearmed, so if there is an issue, don't discuss it till the following month. It will go away, I promise. The 9 in the west isn't going to be that great because the west palace is yin metal, doesn't quite like the 9. And what happens is there's the annual 3, the 9 actually reduces the effect of the annual 3. Now the 3 is the wealth that the 9 is looking at. So there will be some kind of sadness or anger of your future being snatched away and being controlled. So if you're making any investments and you're using that room, just wait a while. It's not conducive at all. In the 8th, you have the northwest enjoying the Wong Chi star, and it's good. If you want to place water for a short while in the northwest, this is the month you can actually do it. Then you actually have the 186 very, very favored combination. In the north, you have the 3. You want something to kickstart. 3 and 1 work well together. And it will happen very viciously because there's a 6-3, wood being chopped by metal, and 1 making the wood strong and actually the metal empowering the water. So quick things happening, but they're not bad. Sometimes you just need something to be eliminated and kick-started and to be well on its way. If you're in this room and that's what you want, this is what you will actually get. In the Northeast Palace, you're receiving wealth. 8 is receiving 1. So it's all about money, fantastic. The monthly 5 is in the east, and whilst 5 is okay for a person who's a Gua 3, in the East Palace it sort of wreaks a bit of havoc. So if you're not able to tolerate the 5, if you can tolerate the 5, use this room. If your Gua cannot tolerate the 5, please move out, because this will be one hell of a nasty, messy room to use. And finally, we have the monthly 6 in the southeast, fantastic. Monthly 6, low shu 4, combination of 10, love it. Annual 9, 6, change. So in whichever way you look at it, it's a nice room to be in. Change is always good, by the way. I never resist. I always feel change is good because it gives you an opportunity that you've not had before. And that's all for December. See you in January.